strawberry
So
cake.
Go. Okay. We got our icings. Then we got our
Strawberry cake batter. Cake
Batter.
batter.
and then here's the directions. Whenever we put it in, it will show up on the thing. So yeah, it'll show. So now she's opening.
Opening.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah.
And so, first it calls for, of course, you're going to pour it into there.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Now, first what you want to do is you want to get your bowl. This is a bowl. You want to cut open the cake batter. You're going to pour it in.
I'm just getting it up close so you can see it. Do you need to cut it more?
No, it's not just because
It smells so good.
strawberries.
Um,
It's going to be slow because it cut pretty small hole, but it's getting in there. You know what you forgot to get?
what?
A giant spoon. Stir it with.
Oh, there's yours just right there. So you can grab it right there.
Make sure all the cake batter is out. So
You just grab
keep your area clean. You just take this and you put it inside of there.
Okay, now we need, we're going by water, so we're going to do
What kind of spoon
Water.
do you want? How about this one since it's cute? And then we both can stir it.
Okay,
This one because you can scrape the sides to put it into the
Yes.
pan.
And then 2, we're going to be using a thing, whatever.
So these are good because it's got the little side that bends and you can get around.
We'll show a picture and it will be up top. It will be right here. Right here. So yeah. We need water. We're gonna
Next
buy
thing is 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. Hold it. 1 cup of water. No.
And then now it calls for 1/2 cup of oil.
Okay. You're gonna have to pour it because I'm really not good with that.
Yep. Let's see. Let's look at our measure. This one is 1/4 cup, 1/2, which is right there in the middle of this part. And then at the very top is
A cup.
1 cup. So we're going to the middle.
The middle.
Would you like to hold that for
That's
me?
right here.
Yes.
Right here. If you can see. I don't know if you can see or not. I'm too scared that I'm gonna drop it. Okay. You can pour it next. Okay. And then we can do the eggs. So she's going to do the oil.
And if you didn't know, 1/2 cup is 8 tablespoons. And then next, it calls for 3 eggs.
Eggs.
So I'm gonna take one. And I'm gonna
Here's 1 and 2. And put it in here whenever you do that.
There's one.
I'm afraid that I'm going to get the
Eggshell.
yes. Okay, she's going to do this one and we're going to show you.
So you just want to take it on the side.
1 second. Yes, up close.
I always thought it was so satisfying.
Hi guys. We're back and we just got done stirring, so that was in time lapse. We're about to put it in the pan.
It smells delicious. Like I want to eat this like this is.
Yes,
But doctors say, science says that you cannot eat raw eggs. Some people, because I've always stuck my finger in cake and ate cookie dough that had raw eggs in it. I don't know, it's just maybe some people's immune system are low, or maybe because I've done it so much, my immune system's just gotten used to it. But do not eat raw eggs. I'm telling you now, because people can get severely sick from it. Just stating that. Because I'm going to lick the spoon afterwards.
No, She's not. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the pan. So let's go to. Okay, sorry guys, kind of a little fell out of my chair. We're gonna go to time lapse and we're going to put it in there. Okay, let's go. Okay, we just got back from time lapse. I have to clean up this mess she kind of made. But yeah,
I always make a mess wherever I go.
so right now she's finishing what's in the bottom of the bowl. That's what I do usually because it's more cake.
Because you don't want to waste that little bit of cake batter.
We're gonna have to spread it.
Yeah, I know.
Let me go get a spoon.
We could just use this
Oh, okay, that's fine.
instead of dirtying more dishes.
You may tell them she will be here after. She will not be here after probably the cake's done because she's leaving. Maybe she's leaving to go back home. So yeah, it would be just me and you guys for a few weeks.
Until the 4th of July, probably.
Yeah, 4th of July. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna love this video.
Vlogging. We're gonna vlog the fireworks, take some videos.
If I have any internet left, I might actually go live on YouTube. So
Stay tuned for that. And if I'm
maybe
not there,
if I have any data left.
and if I'm not there, I'll join. So now I just want to spread it out evenly so we get a nice layer of cake.
I just found this napkin and I just started doing that. So look, that's like, yeah, spreading it
nice and even.
Yes, because if it's not, then one side's gonna be small and one side's gonna be like really thick, and that's not
And
gonna
if
be
that
enough
happens,
cake.
it might.
Burn. Ew, I just got it on me. Okay, sorry guys. Now we got it done, so now we're gonna go put it in the
tilt it.
oven. So let's go. So we're gonna have to let it preheat, cause I'm stupid. So yeah, we're gonna have to let it preheat to 350, and we will be back. So it's gonna be a while. So yeah, for us, not for you guys. So yeah. Now we are putting it in the oven. So let's go. We just, or like probably 20 to 30 minutes ago, we put it in. We had to kind of delete difficulties on the other one, so we had to redo it because we did not know what to do because she was confusing me, and
I was confused.
so my dad walked in and helped us. So I'm gonna check it in a few minutes. So yeah, peace out, bye. Okay, guys, now we got it to. Let's see how many minutes. Got it to 4 minutes. We kind of had difficulties fixing it, but it actually smells really good. So yeah. What do you got to say about the cake?
I want to eat it.
That's all she's got to say. I want to eat it.
It smells good.
Okay, we'll see you whenever we get it out. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute. And the timer's gonna. What do you got to say?
I'm hungry.
Writing. The 1 minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Happy New Year! I'm kidding. I wish it was Happy New Year. 2009.
Now we're gonna have to wait until it. Whatever it's called.
Cool.
It looks a little brown.
That's okay because this is going on the top of it and it's pink.
We're gonna have to let it. Whatever. Okay. We'll be right back. Okay. Right now we are having to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. We have to because so it can be liquidy. because if we put it on there without it being liquidy, it will mess with the cake. So yeah, it kind of looks liquidy.
Okay, now
Doesn't like my phone, but I think it should go. So she's pouring it on there. We're gonna have to go turn this off because it had a timer clear. Okay. Now,
should I just put all of it in here?
I love this one. Sometimes it's good to make it into a cupcake without icing. It's really good. If you make a cupcake without icing with this.
Okay, where's that
it's really
other
good.
spoon? Since it's
Right
easier.
there. Oh, hold that. Hey, where did you put it? You put it in here. Let me clean it off. Because it was in that dirty pot. Is it okay if I stir it? I'm not
Stir it?
but
Do you know how to?
no.
Okay then. Better not break it.
It's already kinda.
You're doing it wrong.
No, I'm not. This is actually how you do it.
You're doing it wrong.
No, I'm not.
You're not going smoothly. It's nice, smooth, same structure.
If you want to
Picking
fix
up.
it after I do it, then you can fix it. Okay? If you want to eat the cake, then
I probably won't eat it.
why?
I'm on a diet.
No, you're not.
I am going on a diet starting today.
Uh-huh.
Miss a spot.
Where?
Everywhere. The poor cake.
Why are you talking so quietly?
ASMR.
Okay, if you want to fix it, fix it.
No, no. You ruined it.
Stop talking so quietly. Okay, we're gonna go and we're gonna show a picture and videos of the first step from the end of the video. So, peace out, guys. Love you, and hope you like this video, and like and subscribe down below. And I'm gonna stick my finger in the cake. So, bye.